Do you know that the secret to glowing, youthful skin isn't in an expensive cream or a magic serum, but in the foods you eat every day? If you're over 50 and worried about wrinkles, sagging skin, or that dull look, stay tuned because in this video, I will show you 5 powerful collagen boosting foods that can naturally reduce wrinkles. And of course, I have 7 eating collagen boosting foods also as bonus too. They will restore your elasticity and bring back that radiant glow without breaking the bank. And make sure you stick to the end. Food number 5 is a secret beauty weapon that most people completely ignore. As we age, our skin changes. That natural plumpness and glow, it fades because our body produces less collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and smooth. By the time you hit 50, your collagen levels could drop by 30% or more. That means more wrinkles, more fine lines, and dry, sagging skin. But here's the good news, you can eat your way to better skin. These 5 foods are not just delicious, they actually help your body rebuild collagen from the inside out. Ready to look younger naturally? As we do that, please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Now channel, and remember to turn your notification bell for you to be notified whenever there is a new upload on the channel. Bone broth. If you want collagen, why not go straight to the source? Bone broth is one of the richest natural sources of collagen. When you simmer animal bones for hours, the collagen in the bones breaks down into gelatin and amino acids like proline and glycine, the building blocks your skin needs to stay firm and wrinkle free. Here are the benefits: reduces fine lines and wrinkles, improves skin hydration and elasticity. How to use it? Drink a warm cup of bone broth daily. Use it as a base for soups and stews. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar while cooking to extract more collagen from the bones. 2. Eggs. Eggs don't just give you protein, they also contain proline and glycine, 2 amino acids essential for collagen production. The egg's whites, especially, are rich in these compounds, while the yolk provides vitamins like biotin and vitamin A that support healthy, glowing skin. How to use it? Eat 1 to 2 boiled eggs daily. Add eggs to your breakfast, omelette, or salad. Here's a beauty hack for that. Some even use egg white mask for an instant skin tightening effect, but eating them works from the inside out. 3. Citrus fruits. Collagen can't form without vitamin C. And guess what? Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are powerhouses of vitamin C. This vitamin helps your body convert amino acids into collagen and protects your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Here are the benefits: prevent premature aging, brighten skin naturally. How to use it? Start your day with warm lemon water, snack on an orange or add lime to your meals. Combine citrus with collagen-rich foods for a double effect. 4. Fatty fish. Collagen isn't just about building, it's also about protecting. And fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that keep your skin moisturized and supple. These healthy fats reduce inflammation and help collagen stay intact so your skin doesn't sag. How to use it? Grill or bake salmon twice a week. Add sardines to your salad for a boost of skin-friendly fat. 5. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, they are not just tasty, they are collagen boosting superstars. Why? Because berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C that protect collagen from breaking down and keep your skin looking young. Plus, the allergic acid in berries helps prevent wrinkles caused by sun damage. How to use it? Add a handful of berries to your morning yogurt or oatmeal. Make a mixed berry smoothie for an anti-aging breakfast. Now, for the 7 eating collagen superfoods for senior that I promised, We have peach gum resin. Peach gum resin, a natural tree sap, is packed with plant-based collagen and antioxidants. It's been used for centuries in traditional Chinese beauty recipes to tighten skin and promote hydration. How to use it? Soak overnight, then cook with a light sweet soup or dessert. Bonus food 2, cacao and chia seed pudding. Cacao is rich in polyphenols and magnesium, which protect collagen from breaking down. Chia seeds, on the other hand, provide omega-3 fatty acids to keep your skin plump. How to use it? Mix raw cacao powder with chia seeds, almond milk, and a drizzle of honey for a beauty boosting dessert. Bonus food 3, Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are incredibly rich in selenium, a mineral that fights oxidative stress and protects collagen from breaking down. How to use it? Eat 1 to 2 nuts daily. They are very nutrient dense. Bonus food 4, cordyceps powder. Cordyceps is a medicinal mushroom that boosts circulation and oxygen delivery to the skin, helping maintain collagen and skin elasticity. How to use it? Add cordyceps powder to smoothies or herbal teas. Bonus food 5, sea cucumber soup. Sea cucumber is a marine delicacy known for its high natural collagen content and anti-aging properties. How to use it? Cook it in soups or broths for a skin firming boost. Bonus food 6, horsetail tea. Horsetail is one of the richest sources of silica, a mineral essential for collagen synthesis and strong hair, skin, and nails. How to use it? Brew as a tea and drink 3 to 4 times per week. Bonus food 7, nettle tea. Nettle leaves are loaded with minerals like iron, magnesium, and silica, making them a natural skin rejuvenator. They also help detox your system, which keeps your skin clear. How to use it? Brew nettle tea and sip daily. Pair these foods for maximum impact. Combine a vitamin C source with collagen-rich foods for the best absorption. For example, bone broth plus lemon juice or berries and chia pudding. Stay hydrated. All the collagen in the world won't help if your skin is dehydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your skin plump and healthy. Wrinkles and dull skin are not inevitable. With these foods, you can restore your glow, improve skin elasticity, and look years younger naturally. So if you're over 50 and you want to look younger naturally, start eating these collagen boosting foods today. No expensive creams, no painful injections, just real food that works from the inside out. Which one will you try first? Bone broth, eggs, or berries? Comment below. I would love to hear your response. And if you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Remember, beauty starts from within. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Always remember that green health cares.